You have been studying English for years, maybe 2 years, maybe 5 years, but today you still cannot speak fluently. You know grammar rules, you passed tests, but when someone speaks to you, you freeze. Your brain stops. Words disappear. You feel embarrassed. You feel stupid. But you are not stupid. The problem is not you. The problem is how you were taught. Today, I will show you exactly why this happens, and I will give you the real fix. Stay with me. This will change everything. Part 1. 0:45 to 3. The real problem. Most English students study the wrong way. They study grammar. They memorize words. They read textbooks for hours every day, but they never practice real conversation. Think about this for one moment. You learn to walk by walking, not by reading about walking. You learn to drive by driving, not by studying a driving manual. English speaking works the same way. You learn to speak by speaking. But school never taught you this. School gave you rules, tests, grades. School never gave you real conversation. So now, you know English in your head, but it does not come out of your mouth. This is called the knowing-doing gap. You know it, but you cannot do it. And this is not your fault. Millions of people feel exactly like you. A student named Maria studied English for 4 years. She scored 90% on every grammar test. But at her job interview in New York, she could not answer one simple question. She froze completely. She felt ashamed. Does that sound familiar? I thought so. Keep watching. Part 2. 3 to 5:30. The root cause. Here is the real reason you cannot speak fluently. Your brain is still thinking in your language. You hear a question in English. Then your brain translates it to your language. Then you think of the answer in your language. Then you translate that answer back to English. Then you try to speak. By that time, 5 seconds have passed. The conversation moved on without you. You missed your chance to speak. This is called language translation loop, and it kills fluency completely. Native speakers do not do this. They hear English. They think English. They speak English. No translation. No pause. No freeze. So the goal is simple but powerful. You must train your brain to think in English, not translate. Think directly. Let me give you a simple example. You see a red apple on the table. A native speaker sees it and thinks, apple. But you see it and think, apple. Then your word for apple. Then apple again. 3 steps instead of 1. Now multiply that by every word in a sentence. You can see why speaking feels exhausting. You can see why you freeze mid-sentence. Your brain is doing triple the work. But here is the great news. You can retrain your brain. It does not take years. It does not take expensive classes. It takes the right daily practice, and I will show you exactly how, right now. CTA 1, 5:30 to 5:45. Before I continue, one quick thing. If this video is helping you right now, please subscribe to Olivia English Hub. I upload slow, clear English every single day, just for people like you. Okay, let us continue. The good part is coming. Part 3, 5:45 to 9. 3 real fixes, starting today. Fix number 1, shadow real conversations. Shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time. Not after, at the same time. Here is how you do it. Find a slow English video, like this one. Play it. Repeat every sentence immediately. Do not wait. Do not think. Just repeat. Your mouth learns the rhythm of English. Your brain stops translating. Do this for just 10 minutes every morning. After 2 weeks, you will feel a difference. Your mouth will move faster. Words will come more naturally. This is the #1 technique professional language coaches use. Fix number 2. Talk to yourself in English. I know, it sounds strange. But this is one of the most powerful habits. Every morning, describe your day in English, out loud, not in your head, out loud. Say things like, "Today I will go to work. I need to buy groceries after lunch. I am a little tired this morning." Simple sentences. Real life. Your actual day. This builds what experts call automatic speech. Your brain starts connecting English directly to your daily life. No translation needed anymore. Start with just 5 minutes every morning. You are in the shower. Speak English. You are making coffee. Speak English. You are driving to work. Speak English. Nobody is listening. Nobody will judge you. But your brain is listening. And it is learning fast. Fix number 3. Stop studying grammar. Yes, I said it. Stop studying grammar rules right now. Grammar study makes your brain slow. It makes you check every sentence before you speak. Was that past tense? Was that correct? By the time you check, the conversation ended. Native speakers do not think about grammar. They learned grammar by hearing it thousands of times, not by studying rules. So instead of studying grammar, consume English. Watch English shows. Listen to English podcasts. Read simple English every day. Your brain will absorb the patterns automatically, just like a child learns language. Children do not study grammar. They just hear it, repeat it, use it, and one day, it just comes out correctly. Trust this process. It works. If these 3 fixes make sense to you, please give this video a thumbs up right now. It tells me you want more videos like this, and it helps other people find this lesson too. Thank you so much. Let us finish strong. Your 25-minute daily action plan. I will now give you a simple daily routine. 25 minutes only, every single day. You can do this, I promise. Morning, 10 minutes. Wake up. Do not check your phone yet. Instead, speak English for 5 minutes. Describe your morning, your plans, your feelings, out loud, slow and clear. Then, shadow one short English video, 5 minutes only. Repeat every sentence. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. That is your morning done. 10 minutes total. Afternoon, 5 minutes. During your lunch break, read simple English. 1 short article, 1 page, 1 topic. Do not use a dictionary for every word. Guess the meaning from context. This trains your brain to think, not translate. 5 minutes. That is all. Evening, 10 minutes before bed. Watch 1 short English video. No subtitles if possible. Just listen. Try to understand. Even if you miss some words, keep listening. Your brain is processing more than you think. After the video, write 3 sentences in English. What did you learn today? What will you do tomorrow? How do you feel right now? 3 sentences. Simple, honest, in English. Then, sleep. While you sleep, your brain organizes everything. It stores today's English in long-term memory. Tomorrow, it will feel slightly easier. The day after, even easier. This is how fluency actually builds. Not in one big moment, but in 25 minutes, every single day. Let me give you a quick recap. Your fluency problem is not your fault. You were taught the wrong way. Your brain is stuck in translation loop, but you can fix this. Starting today, shadow real conversations every morning. Talk to yourself in English every day. Stop studying grammar. Start consuming English. And follow your 25-minute daily plan. Small steps. Every day. Real results. You are closer than you think. I believe in you completely. Now tell me in the comments below, how long have you been learning English? And what is your biggest struggle right now? I read every single comment. Next, watch this video about how to finally understand fast English speakers. It is the perfect next step for you. See you there.